All right, today we're going to actually be expanding on the video that I posted yesterday. Yesterday, I did a cross sheet formula with a simple count if, meaning only a singular condition. Today, we're going to be looking at if we want to count across multiple conditions and how you can take your first level count if and expand that formula, again, across sheets. And let's take a look here. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to make a couple changes right. Let's see here. Okay. So here's my screen. Yesterday we did simple count if. If I open this up, it'll show you count if my program is showing as hybrid, right? Remember, this was a cross sheet reference. So notice that this title of this item it's counting is not something from there. This is from a separate sheet. Now, I wanted to make this a bit more of another layer of analysis. Not only do I want to know about all of the schools getting those services, I actually want to know specifically about my targeted schools and the difference. I've already started this comparison. So if you take a look, this program serves 34 in total, but only of those 34, 23 are of the targeted group of community colleges. Okay. So to build this out, you have to do a couple things. If I open up my formula, you see I've already made this condition. What we're building is now a count ifs with the S, right, for multiple conditions. The target status is true, and that program is this cohort, right? So basically, I changed the front end and I kept the back end. To do this, you simply copy your data. You can control copy. You can paste. You have your old formula that you then will play with. I've already done my copy and paste, so I'm going to remove that for now. And I want to go ahead and fix my formula. See, where did I leave off? Okay, so I have my CountIfs. Here I only have CountIf. The first thing you'll have to do is you'll need to create your new range from your source sheet. So I'm changing CountIf to CountIfs. It'll pull up the display for ifs, sorry. And now I'm going to hit reference another sheet. It already knows the sheet that I've been working in. And I'm going to simply select my target column, right? The column I use to designate what's a target school. I title it as target status and I insert reference. So now I have CountIfs, the target status, comma, is true. So 1, and so another comma, the other pre-existing condition I already had. Enter, and it'll go ahead and do that calculation for you. Now, what's great about this is now all I have to do is I can take the front end of this formula, I'll copy it, and I'll go to the next cell, and I'll paste it over the old beginning of the formula. So I'm taking advantage of the fact that I've already done quite a lot of work by using the formulas that I made earlier. And I am just building right on top of that and expanding what that search formula is. I'm going to have to continue this for each of my cells to get that correct. I find this is the easiest way because I'm changing the least amount of information. You do need to be careful that you're grabbing the correct information. So notice I didn't grab the right um, parentheses here. So something to take into particular consideration is, let me go ahead and zoom into this formula. Um, your range has the curly brackets. It's right before the curly brackets that you're going to be replacing. And you're just going to do that for all of the columns or all of the individual cells. So you can get that new calculation. All right, well, I'm going to continue doing this and finish up this formatting. And then from there, I'll be able to move on to some other tasks. If you found this helpful, please do like and subscribe. I'm going to continue to further expand on some of these skill sets and keep on sharing with you. Thank you.